part of a comprehensive driver assistance system, the Genesis GV60 comes equipped with smart cruise control and highway driving assist too. These systems are designed to detect the vehicle ahead and to maintain a selected vehicle speed and distance to the vehicle ahead. Smart cruise control works on all roadways, while highway driving assist 2 will activate if the GV60 detects that it is driving on a major highway. To turn on Smart Cruise Control or HDA2 at the current speed, press the Driving Assist button located on the left side of the steering wheel. After activation, pressing the Vehicle Distance button will then cycle through 4 different preset distances that your GV60 will help maintain to the vehicle in front. To adjust your set cruising speed, press this switch up or down immediately to alter speed by 1 mile per hour. Pressing and holding the switch either up or down alters speeds in 5 mile per hour increments instead. Pressing the switch in can also temporarily cancel Smart Cruise Control or HDA2. If you push the switch in again, Smart Cruise Control or HDA2 will resume at the preset speed. When driving on select major highways, pressing the Driving Assist button will activate Highway Driving Assist 2 or HDA2. HDA2 is designed to help the driver keep a set distance from the vehicle ahead while remaining center in the lane and maintaining a desired speed. To check that HDA2 is enabled, press Setup, then Vehicle, Driver Assistance, Driving Convenience, and ensure Highway Driving Assist is checked. Once Highway Driving Assist 2 is activated, you can see its status on the instrument cluster under the Driver Assist view. The HDA indicator shows whether there is a vehicle ahead and the current set distance. When the HDA indicator is green, the system is activated. When the indicator is in gray, it means that it is in standby. When the indicator is blinking white, it is showing that the accelerator is being depressed. The set desired speed is shown here, followed by the lane following assist indicator. The next icon shows whether there is a vehicle ahead, along with the lanes that are being detected. If equipped, Highway Lane Change Assist allows automatic passing maneuvers when HDA2 is active and conditions are met. You can see its status on the instrument cluster. The green Highway Lane Change Assist indicator shows if the system is ready. When the Highway Lane Change indicator is blinking green, the system is in operating state. When the indicator is in gray, it means that the system is on standby mode. When the indicator is blinking white, it is showing that the feature has been cancelled. You can also tell that Highway Lane Change Assist is ready when the detected lanes become outlined in green. To automatically change lanes when HDA2 and Highway Lane Change Assist are active and ready, push the turn signal lever down to pass on the left or push the turn signal up to pass on the right. A green arrow and shaded area will display as the GV60 exits its lane and passes the vehicle ahead. No steering or accelerator pedal input is required from the driver to pass, although the turn signal indicator must be held down continuously for the length of the maneuver. If the turn signal lever is released, the GV60 will automatically cancel the move. Highway Lane Change Assist requires that both of the driver's hands remain on the steering wheel and the system detects no collision or blind spot detection risks. When HDA is being used, note that your vehicle will begin to stop if the vehicle in front of you does too. However, if the vehicle in front starts moving again within 30 seconds of the stop, your vehicle will start to move as well. For more information on your Genesis, be sure to explore the how-to guides on the Genesis USA YouTube channel, as well as consult mygenesis.com and your owner's manual.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the Genesis USA YouTube channel for more great videos and visit genesis.com for more info.